13 free greenhouse plans. Northern Homestead has shared its free greenhouse plan for building a geodome. Use this plan and you'll get a greenhouse that's lightweight yet secure, absorbs lots of light, has a lot of ground growing space, and one that makes quite the statement. There's a materials list, tools list, written directions, diagrams, and photos to help you build it. This free greenhouse plan from Crafts a la Mode takes some old windows and makes them into a greenhouse. Just pick enough for a few plants. It's a gorgeous greenhouse that doubles as yard decor. FloridaGardener.com has a nice greenhouse plan that you can print and use for free. A combination of wood and PVC pipes are used to build this large, hooped greenhouse. This free greenhouse plan by Build Easy is conveniently built out of mostly 2x4s. Click your way through the pages of this free greenhouse plans to find shopping lists, directions, and diagrams. There are also photos of the greenhouses built by other readers who have used this plan. Instructables has a free greenhouse plan that uses a unique building material, old windows. It creates a great-looking structure that's environmental and budget-friendly. There are lots of color photos and written instructions to help you build one for your yard. Build Easy has another free DIY greenhouse plan. This one builds a large 8x10-foot greenhouse that you'll be able to fit all kinds of plants into. There are 13 pages in this free plan that includes drawings, photos, diagrams, and instructions on how to build it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.